Michelle. I'm the Natural Makerspace Program Specialist for Brilliant Labs. We are really proud to offer creative outdoor activities every week. In order to make experiences in nature even more meaningful, I suggest that you build for your children or for your students exploration journal um, with the material you have at home, and use our activities as inspiration.
Why use an exploration journal? First, because nature has a ton of educational surprises in store for us. It is possible to go outside with a planned activity and come back inside with a completely different discovery, and that's okay. An exploration journal allows us to document our discoveries and gives a meaning and purpose to outdoor explorations and the desire to go further in our research at all ages. Love of nature, of the environment, is an essential need, and it comes with time. The more time you spend outside, the more you know, the more comfortable you become, and the more you want to learn. I often say, we protect what we love, and we love what we know. And I also say, a child learns, period. When the learning environment is as large as nature has to offer, the learning possibilities are endless. So why go outside? Knowing better to better protect. In addition, nature is a free and extremely safe resource for looking after our mental health and children's well-being. What to use as an exploration journal? Any old notebooks you have at home would do the trick. You can also make your own journal using your creativity. What I love with my 5-year-old daughter is to reuse an old ring binder and decorate it with her. On this one, she made drawings on the 2 covers. I also write her schedule for the day on the cover with an erasable marker because a schedule can be flexible. Inside, we added sheets and pockets, what we had at home, for nature's treasures. When we go out, she places a sheet on a wooden tablet to allow her to write or draw in the inspiration of the moment. Like that, the notebook stays cleaner. Another advantage at this age is that when she makes a mistake, she can simply start over on a new sheet rather than tearing off sheets from her notebook. If you go out with your notebook, that's okay. You can put it in a plastic bag to carry it, and a few little stains on a notebook can give it a style. More ambitious, why not consider making your own paper? Does your child prefer digital? Go out with a tablet, take photos, record sounds, and produce portfolios using Google Slides or a little story creator if you use an iPad. How do I use an exploration journal? Brilliant Labs offer you new authentic outdoor activities every week. This is not a procedure to follow activity 1 before activity 2. These are just great ideas to inspire you. Feel free to take what speaks to you, modify it, adapt it to your needs and interests. An exploration journal is like a nature diary. You can write, paste, draw, everything you want to keep as a souvenir or of your explorations in nature. You add everything you want to learn. It is often reassuring to be inspired by a planned activity. For example, following the activity Adopt a Tree offered by Brilliant Labs, my 5-year-old daughter began to question the different types of trees on the trail nearby. So we picked up samples from the ground and put together a mini lexicon of trees in the neighborhood. Our lexicon is in French and English, and we want to add the Wolastoqey language and Spanish along the way by interest. A few days later, the Maker Fun activity offered a nature treasure hunt. My daughter decided to create her own treasure hunt for her grandmother using the words from her lexicon. Another great outdoor activity. What are your children, your students' interests? To find out, offer them a Maker Fun activity in nature and ask them to write down their observation, discoveries in a journal. What a great proof of learning.
An exploration journal grows with the rhythm of outdoor outings. The first step is to create one, plan your first outdoor activity, and the rest will come naturally. Thank you for sharing your discoveries on social media by identifying hashtag Natural Makerspace or hashtag MakerFun. We learn a lot from each other, and I can't wait to see your versions of exploration journals. Have fun discovering your own outdoors. My teacher friends, offer to your students to start an exploration journal. They will write, read, learn, and they will have a good proof of learning when they return to school in September. All this while spending a lot of time outside, improving their mental and physical health. If you need support, do not hesitate to contact me or any of my colleagues through the social networks of Brilliant Labs. It will be our pleasure to support you in this process. So, goodbye. See you soon.